Forget the bread. This easy recipe will totally surprise you at breakfast. I'll start by grating one whole carrot. You're going to fall in love with this recipe. I made sure to keep everything super detailed so you won't have any problems when preparing it. It'll turn out perfect. This unique method is going to change the way you see simple recipes. I'll put the carrot in a bowl. Add 2 eggs. Keep mixing until everything comes together. It's one of those recipes you make once and never forget because it's so delicious and practical. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Emily Johnson from Austin, Texas. I'm really happy you're enjoying these recipes. I'll add 1 cup of milk and also 1 cup of oat flour. Mix it well, no rush. The best part is that you'll only need a few ingredients. You probably already have them at home. These exclusive tips you'll only find here with me, a way of cooking made especially for those who want to save time in the kitchen. It's so easy to make that even someone with no cooking experience can prepare this treat. Look how it's turning out. I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it once more. This recipe has a few steps where we need to mix the ingredients really well. But if you take your time, everything will come out just right. Each ingredient was chosen with flavor and nutrition in mind. Perfect for anyone looking for a more balanced meal without giving up on taste. I'll spread 1 tablespoon of butter in this pan. I'm using a brush to make it easier. Have you ever made a different kind of recipe like this? If you know a trick, you can share it with me. Now I can pour the mixture into the pan. Spread it evenly with a spatula. It needs to be nice and level. I made this yesterday for my friends, and they loved it so much they asked me to show it here for you. I'll cover and let it cook for 6 minutes. After that, I'll use a plate to flip it and cook the other side. The smell is already filling up my kitchen. It's perfect. Cover again and let it cook for another 6 minutes. Now I'll move it to another dish and it's ready. The smell is so good your neighbors will want to know what you're making. I'll cut it and place it on a plate. When you try it, you can send me a picture. I'd love to see how yours turned out. It's so tasty it won't last long at your house. The texture is soft and fluffy, just perfect. Now that you've learned how to prepare a delicious breakfast, you can surprise the people at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A flavorful, nutrient-packed recipe.